from this Ramadan to next Ramadan, how am I going to be a better Muslim?
Maybe the hearts are locked up. They're not allowing the advice to enter. So we need to figure out a way to unlock our hearts. The first thing you got to do is you have to discipline your life, people. I have to do it, you have to do it. You know what it means to discipline your life? Go to sleep early. Pray Isha and go to sleep. Don't go to the hookah joint until 12:30 a.m. Don't go see a movie. Don't go hang out with your friends. Don't watch Islamic lectures until 2 in the morning. Do not. It is not beneficial for you. Pray Isha and go to sleep and wake up early. Wake up before Fajr. Give yourself 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I know it seems impossible. It's only impossible because of Netflix at night. Okay? That's the only reason it's impossible. Give the nightlife up. Let the night be for sleep. At least you're not accumulating sin every night. At least you're not burying your heart under more sin every night. At least you're sleeping. At least you're innocent for that much. At least that much. Then you wake up and you pray. At least start with a routine of praying Fajr on time. Start with Fajr on time. And the guys here, at least once a week, guys, make it to the masjid for Fajr. At least one. I don't ask you every day. Just one day a week. That's number one thing. The second thing is every single day. I don't ask you to recite a juz. I don't expect that much anymore. One page of Quran. In Arabic, I don't care how badly you recite. I don't care how badly you recite. If you're embarrassed of your recitation, go in a room by yourself. Lock it up. But recite it out loud. Not silently. Out loud. And before you recite, if you don't know any Arabic, turn to Allah and say, Ya Allah, I'm reciting your word only for you. And you're the only one who can make it easy for me. Now the last thing. If you can get this into your routine, then you add the next thing. Start memorizing the Quran. Even if it's one line, half a line, I don't care. Even if it's one ayah for a whole week, I don't care. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, whatever it is, full 100% concentrated time on just memorizing the Quran. This is your little secret, it's between you and Allah. The more Quran you are memorizing, you're telling Allah, Ya Allah, my heart contains 3 more of your ayat. Ya Allah, my heart contains 2 more of your surahs. It's enhancing your love for Allah, and it's enhancing your love for the Quran. And the more Quran you memorize, then the more Quran you study, and the more Quran you use in your prayer, and it's becoming more and more and more of a companion in your life. But it starts small. It starts with 10, 20 minutes a day. Nothing more. If you can fix your morning routine, best time to memorize Quran in the morning. Absolutely best time. But don't overdo it in the beginning. If you overdo it like, oh, I heard this lecture from tomorrow, I'm doing tahajjud tonight, then I'm going to go to pray Fajr, and I'm going to memorize Quran for 2 hours. That will happen one time this year. Okay? That's why you don't overdo it. Just take it easy, little at a time, it will build.